Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello everyone, this is Lori here. I am your positivity princess. Welcome to The Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I'll be doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course. If you are a student of the Law of Attraction and that makes you excited, give me a thumbs up. Show the universe some support here. Every single day of August, a video will be posted that will be part of this 30-day Law of Attraction crash course. Think of it as a series. Each video will flow into the next video. Today is day 2. Click here to start at day 1. Each video is under 10 minutes to be mindful of your time. We're all very busy, I know. Let me start by mentioning the course workbook. It's a free workbook. It's free and the link is below so you can download it and you can follow along for the next 30 days. The workbook allows you to keep notes of important Law of Attraction points, list 3 things of which you are grateful for, make note of 3 manifestations from the day, and list 3 I am affirmations. If you notice, the number 3 has very special properties, but we will discuss this Tesla number later, and also the idea that it's an angel number, the 333, later on. Okay, so what is the Law of Attraction? That seems like a great place to start, right? It is one of the laws of the universe that says that we can attract the objects, people, and circumstances that we desire. But let me start here. Everything is made of energy, including us. This energy vibrates. This vibration is measured by a frequency. I'm sure you've heard this before if you studied Law of Attraction at all. And that frequency, my friends, that frequency is what attracts your desires to you. In the Law of Attraction, like attracts like, which means positive frequencies will attract positive people, things, circumstances, and other frequencies, which show up in your life as financial abundance, loving relationships, and more happy circumstances. 3 common misconceptions about the Law of Attraction include, and this is important because you need to clear these up. Number 1, people often think that you just make a wish and then do nothing and wait. This is not true. Albeit you are encouraged to know what you want, but the how is left up to the universe to figure out. Have faith and wait on a sign of how to act. Number 2, people think that only certain special, spiritual, awakened people can harness the power of the Law of Attraction. This is untrue. All the power you need is inside of you right now. All your desires exist and are ready for the claiming. I will show you. Number 3, people think the Law of Attraction is all about attracting money. Again, untrue. You can attract anything you want. You can attract a good parking spot, a coffee, a quarter, a friend, a car, a vacation, anything, really. So no matter what you know right now about the Law of Attraction, it is working in your life. Right now, it may not be working in your favor. I will show you how to change this. It's easier than you think. Okay, my wonderful, beautiful, intelligent students, thank you so much for watching this and coming to my class. I'm gonna give you a little tiny piece of homework, okay? Because what kind of teacher wouldn't, right? Today, your homework will be to watch the Secret film. Watch the film, The Secret. It's a great place to start. There's a link below to The Secret on YouTube, but you can also find it on Netflix. There's also a link below to a blog that summarizes it very nicely as well. Tomorrow, we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss the next lesson. Have a most glorious day. I love you all, and be positive.